Hello and welcome to a bit of a follow-up on the last video. It was a short one, it was a good one. But today we're gonna look at the BMW failure we had the last time on track. So yeah, let's see what's wrong with the car. I actually have some upgrades we're gonna install today. Just some small ones, just some minor ones, just a bit of nice treatments. On the right side here, we have a performance air filter or something. And we're gonna install that. And here we got something for the Boxster, and we're gonna show you that later. And then we got over here a blanket from my sister, actually, in a present. We're gonna just have that in the car. That is always nice to have a blanket for the ladies. Thank you, sis. The car is unfortunately parked pretty far away in a garage, so we're getting there and about now with the train. Yeah, waiting for the right one. It's lovely living in Copenhagen, where you can't get a parking place. Well, maybe you can, but I don't want to pay the premium extra for getting a parking spot in here. It's expensive. And Andreas has arrived! Hey! Now we are at the garage and Andreas has dropped by. He's gonna look up how to do this stuff. The fail on the car. Yeah, it's a sensor thing he thinks, but we don't know. And we're gonna install this air filter. That shouldn't be too hard. Lifetime warranty. Let's see about that. Well, yeah.
Older there.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Actually, also looks better than that one.
Indeed.
Well, that was a quick one. 30 seconds later, done.
Yes.
We got stickers. Imagine this on the window or what? Ah. So, this seems to be the failure point or what?
Over here. Two sensors down there.
Oh, okay.
Too much light.
Yeah, okay. But let's go for a test drive and see if it pops up again, right?
Yeah.
Out of the M3, testing for mistakes. Det lyder også godt lige med sådan en nedgivning der.
Ja.
Yeah, it's such a nice car, man. Back when BMW really knew how to build cars. Well, they still do, but it's just not the same. It's a bit more old school vibe, and just a hydraulic steering. That's good. Vi går lige til venstre for dem der. Still no faults. All good.
So good.
Sehr gut. It's actually not typical BMW when you don't get any fault codes. It's usually the ding. Well, we're also swapping out these whips. Hvad siger du?
Jeg vil ikke mene, at den skal stå og hoppe og danse, men bare slappe af.
Nej. Det skulle godt være, at jeg skulle bruge den hjælp her igen, mand. Kæft, de er stramme, dem her. Hvor langt den er det? Sindssygt, mand. Det går væk. Der. So at this point, all the marvelous upgrades were installed, and yeah, we could go home. I'll end up this small video with a flyby one more time in the M3, and you'll have a great week. I'll see you in the next video where we go on track. It's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be spicy. Can't wait to show you that.